In this video, I'm gonna talk about controlling the IBGP mesh size. So, in the previous video, I talked about controlling the IBGP mesh size using route reflectors, and it was the solution number 1. But in this video, I'm going to actually talk about solution number 2, which is confederations. So, like route reflectors, confederations can also control the number of peerings in IBGP topology. And confederations is basically you have an AS. Let me just give you an example. You have an AS. This is, for example, your AS there. An AS that can be broken into multiple sub-AS. So, and the AS that is being talked about there is actually the confederation ID, which in this case is topology AS100, and the multiple sub ASs are AS65001 and AS65002. These are the sub ASs. And for example, this from R6 perspective, this is just a single AS, which is AS100. So basically, from the outside perspective, for example, like I said on R6, but from the inside, it's actually a set of ASs. And the AS numbers that you use inside the confederation topology are actually the private ASs. So let's talk about how we can configure confederation. So basically, this is the normal BGP configuration. You just have to specify your local sub-AS number. So for example, what is the best example here? For example, we are trying to configure R2. So we go into the global configuration and we type router BGP, and the AS number is this, 65001. And number 2, specify the configuration ID. This is basically, you should do this on all the routers inside the configuration topology. So, but here on R2, as an example, BGP configuration identifier, and your identifier would be this AS100, if I'm not mistaken. But let me just actually double check that. Let me just double check that. Yeah, that is correct. So your BGP configuration identifier will be AS100. And number 3 is specify all other sub-AS numbers in configuration. So basically, in this case, R2 is will have a BGP peering with R4. So you have to specify this configuration or this commands. So BGP configuration peers and the remote AS number. In this case, 65002, and it could be more than one AS numbers. So that's why I put here list of AS numbers or number. But in this example, we just have one configuration peers or peer, which is AS 65002. So yeah, that's how you would configure configurations. So again, configuration ID is your configuration. In this case, AS100 is your configuration ID, and the local sub-ASs are AS65001 and AS65002, and the peering here is IBGP, and here is IBGP also. But here, ABGP, this is just a normal ABGP peering with between R1 and R2, and like I said earlier, R1 is just gonna will be configured with normal BGP configurations, and the remote AS would be that you would configure on R6 would be AS100. So yeah, that would be for configurations. So thanks for watching. Bye.